Have you ever found yourself checking your phone over and over again, hoping for a message from someone special, only to realize they're not thinking about you at all? Well, what if I told you there are some psychological tricks you can use that will make them truly miss you and think about you when you're not around? And ultimately, they'll start wishing they could be with you again. Let's dive into these tricks that will make them miss you and crave your presence. Rule 1. Don't always be available. Here's the deal. If you're always the one texting them, calling them non-stop, you're actually pushing them away. Why? Because they need the space to miss you. Just like eating the same meal every day will make you bored of it, people also lose interest when they have constant access to you. Humans crave what they can't have. If you're always around, they'll never feel your absence. But when you pull back a little and let them wonder what you're doing, you spark curiosity. They'll start thinking about you more, wondering where you are, what you're up to. It's not about ignoring them, it's about showing you have your own life, that they're not the center of your universe. Give them room to breathe and they'll start missing you. Rule 2. Stir up a little jealousy. Okay, this one's a bit tricky. Jealousy gets a bad rap, but used strategically, it can be a powerful tool. We're not talking about manipulation or playing games, but more about subtly reminding them that there are other people in your life. Post a story, upload a fun photo, or hang out with your friends. Let them see that you're living your best life. This can ignite a little jealousy and make them realize they might be missing out on something. When they see you having fun with others, they'll start wondering if they're losing their place in your world. But remember, always be authentic and natural. Don't force it. Just show that you're living a vibrant, exciting life, and that will trigger feelings of longing in them. Rule 3. Don't always respond quickly. When they send you an emoji or give you a quick reply, don't rush to respond instantly. If you're always quick to answer, you're just sitting there waiting for them to notice you. This can actually make you seem less valuable. People value what's hard to get, so don't make it too easy for them. Take your time to reply. By doing this, you show that you have your own goals, ambitions, and things to do. You're not just sitting there waiting for their attention. Over time, they'll start working harder to get your attention. And when they do, it'll mean a lot more to them. Rule 4. Keep some mystery. Mystery is magnetic. People are naturally drawn to the unknown. If you're too easy to figure out, the attraction fades quickly. But if you reveal bits and pieces of yourself, keeping them curious, they'll stay intrigued. Don't spill all your secrets at once. Leave some things to their imagination. This keeps them guessing, and every time you reveal something new, they'll get more hooked. By maintaining a little mystery, you become a book they can't put down, leaving them wanting more with every chapter. Rule 5. Leave them wanting more. Every interaction you have should leave them wanting more. This is all about timing. If you're in a fun conversation and it's going well, resist the urge to drag it on too long. When you end the conversation on a high note, leaving them wanting more, it creates an anticipation for the next time you talk. They'll be thinking about it, waiting for the next interaction, and that's when they'll start to really miss you. Quality over quantity. Always. Rule 6. Be charismatic and confident. Charisma and confidence are incredibly attractive traits. When you're comfortable with who you are and you express yourself openly, it draws people in. Confidence isn't about being dominant or overly bold. It's about owning who you are, showing you're comfortable in your skin. When you radiate this confidence, it naturally makes people want to be around you. It makes your absence feel more significant. Confidence also shows that you don't need validation from others, which is incredibly magnetic. People are drawn to those who believe in themselves and make others feel good around them. Remember, these tricks are not about manipulation. They're about enhancing your own life, creating authentic connections, and letting people see that you're someone they want to be around. It's about showing that you have a life of your own, full of purpose and excitement. Use these strategies wisely, and watch how the people you care about start missing you more and more. Thanks for watching, and I hope these tips help you out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.